no display fault, how to check, I will explain now. This is ICH. When this IC is okay, RSM reset voltage come out from this place, PCI reset voltage come out from this IC. When this all these chips, that means ICH, GMCH and CPU wants to supply and reset and clock signal. When all supplies will come, all chips, after this clock generator will start function, this clock signal comes to CPU and GMCH and ICH and graphic controller. After this will function will starts. That means when this IC is okay, PCI reset voltage come out from this IC, that voltage goes to here. When this clock signal and supply will come here, this voltage, that means CPU reset or host reset voltage goes to CPU. After this display connection comes to here, this data goes to CPU. After processing that data comes to LCD panel and VGA connector, after display will come. So when no display fault will come, you should check clock generator, ICH, DIMM slots and GMCH and CPU and LCD connector, VGA connector and graphic controller. Now how to check these chips I will explain. Now we will see clock generator is okay or not. This is clock generator. This signal comes to ICH and GMCH and CPU and graphic controller. Now we will see how to check this clock generator. After how to check this is okay or not, how to check this is okay or not, how to check DIMM slots is okay or not. Now we will see step by step. Now we will see this clock generator is okay or not. We will see now. This is clock generator IC. When you give supply, this crystal starts function. This is 14.31818 megahertz. This clock signal starts function, and we will check here. This frequency is okay, crystal is okay. After all these frequency come out from this IC, this ICH signal come out from pin number 5. This signal, see here, 14 megahertz. This signal goes to ICH. After ICH will start, we will check here 14 megahertz is okay, clock generator is okay. This is crystal CX1, frequency 14.31818 megahertz. This is megahertz. Now we will check this frequency. We will see crystal frequency. This crystal frequency. This is X1 crystal. Now we will see X1 crystal frequency 14.31818 megahertz. Now we will see that frequency. Now we will connect that one. We will see in frequency counter. See here, now megahertz. Light is blowing at megahertz. Now we will check that frequency. 14.31767. 14.31767. So this is okay. This frequency is okay. We will see this ICU21 pin number 5. 14 megahertz is okay or not? 1 2 3 4 5. Pin number 5. Okay, pin number 5. Now we will check that frequency. 14 megahertz is okay or not? See here, this is megahertz. Now we will check 14 megahertz is okay or not. See here, 14.318 megahertz is okay. 14.318 megahertz is okay. So this signal goes to ICH 14.318 megahertz. This is mini card connector. You should check at pin number 22 PLT reset 3.3 volts is okay or not. This voltage is okay, ICH is okay. No voltage at this point. You should check all inputs of the ICH. We will see here pin number 22. You should check here 3.2 PLT reset voltage is there or not. You should check here. See here 3.3 volts is okay. So ICH is okay. No voltage at this point. No voltage at this point. No voltage at this point. You should check ICH fault. This is termination supply resistors. This voltage 0.09 volts. 0.09 volts. You should check here. This voltage is okay. This 1.8 volts also okay. You should check here at dim slots. This is DDR2 dim slot. This is DDR2 dim slots. This is termination resistors. All these termination resistors. DDR2 termination supply 0.9 volts. 0.9 volts. We will see this voltage now. 0.90 volts. So this supply is okay. Another pin. .9 volts. 0.9. Next pin. .9. In this side, it's this side. This side also 0.9. This side also 0.9. Check. 0.9. You should check all resistors. So when this voltage will present, this supply also 1.8 volt supply also okay. In this slot 1.8 volt supply is also okay. You should check power good voltage 1.05 volts is okay or not at CPU D6 pin and reset pin. See here C1 at CPU C1 pin reset voltage is okay or not 1.05 volts. If this voltage is okay, GMCH is okay. See here, this is open, this is closed. Before going to check CPU voltages, you should turn this screw to open. Open this side. Open, right. Open. We will see pin numbers. This one A, B, C. That means C1, D1. Just like this one. This is the last A, B, C, D, E, F. Last pin. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like this one. We will see in this way. Now we will check these voltages in here. This is C1. This is CPU reset. See, we will see. So GMCH is okay. When this voltage will come, GMCH is okay. This is A, B, C, D, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, we will see voltage 1.05. This is CPU power good. CPU power good voltage is okay. T6 CPU power good voltage okay.